In this video, I'm going to show you how to download your TikTok data or how to request your TikTok data. In order to start, we're going to the bottom right profile section. Here we click on the top right three stripes. Here we click on settings and privacy. From here, we click on account. And in here, we see an option, download your data. It is above the activate or delete account. And it basically says to get a copy of your data from all the TikTok apps you use. So we're going to click on this. And in here, we can see that we can request the data. And when you click on the button down below, you will eventually request the data. You can select if you want all data or you can customize this. So basically, if you want profile and post, activity or messages, let's say all data, click on done. You can also select the format of the file. It is on TXT by default, but you can also have a JSON file, as you can see. And if you want to download your data, you click on download and you can download the data based on a request. So first you need to make a request. And when you made the request, you will create a TXT file, in this case of all data, which we just selected. And then this will pop up in the download data area. And in here, you can basically click the button to download the data. And this data, this file, you can just export this to your PC or anything you like, or just keep it on your phone. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.